Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for the overwhelming response on my previous video. I am truly grateful to each and every one of you. So last time सबने बोला था कि वेजिटेरियंस के लिए कुछ बनाओ तो आज मैं वेजिटेरियंस के लिए कुछ लेके आया हूँ. And considering that we are in the lockdown phase, quarantine, we cannot go out, have desserts. So we'll make a dessert today. And I'm sure you're gonna love it. And trust me, you're gonna make it under 3 minutes. That's my promise to you. So let's see how we do it. For making the coffee mug cake, we'll need the following ingredients. Okay, so we'll start with making the batter for the cake. So we'll add 1 tablespoon of coffee, 3 tablespoons of milk, 2 tablespoons of sugar, powdered sugar we'll add. You can add a bit more sugar if you want to make it a bit sweet. Since this is a coffee cake, it turns out to be a bit kadwa. We'll add the maida next. 3 tablespoons of maida. Tablespoons of cocoa powder. You can use cocoa powder or Bournvita or Boost, whichever favorite. Next we'll add a teaspoon of baking powder. Add 3. Then we'll add the vegetable oil, 2 tablespoons. And mix it. Mix the ingredients thoroughly and make a very nice batter out of it. Remember, when making a cake, the batter, the proportions of the ingredients is everything. Mix for about half a minute. And if you want, I'm adding a bit of crushed chocolate in it to give it a crunchy taste. Add a pinch of salt to it once you're about to finish it off. Just a pinch of salt and mix it thoroughly again. We're ready with the batter. So now all you need to do is put it in an oven. We'll just put it in the oven. Keep it in the oven for 75 seconds, 75 to 80 seconds. Roughly. Start. Just wait for the magic to happen. I can already smell the cake. Cannot wait even for 80 seconds. Come on. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! And it's ready. Garnish it any way you want. You can have it with an ice cream or a mango pulp, since it's mango season right now, or since this is the current trend right now, I'll be using the Dalgona coffee, Dalgona paste. Here it is, our mug cake is ready to be served. Enjoy it. I'll just take this to my mom for tasting. Mom, try करे बताए कि So try.